Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel to see more of me. But let's get started with this fresh face summer makeup look. So I'm starting out with this Too Faced Hangover primer, and primer is a game changer when you are doing summer makeup. You don't want your makeup slipping off or sliding off at all or separating. So prime your face and then go in with Nars Sheer Glow foundation. This foundation leaves a really dewy finish on your skin. I just took a little bit of the foundation and spread it out as much as I could, and then I'm going in with this Hourglass Ambient Lightning palette. A lot of you guys had recommended this to me, but this product is a game changer. Out of all of these products for a dewy look, I would highly recommend this one. I love this product. I put it all over my face, and to bronze up my skin, I'm going in with MAC Refined Golden bronzer. I probably need a new one of this. It's been a couple years since I've had this, and I just throw that all over my face everywhere I want to bronze the skin. This is the Wet n Wild Megaglow highlighter, and honestly, it's amazing how a drugstore can have the same amount of color payoff as a high-end highlighter, so no need to spend all your money on some expensive highlighter. Just go to the drugstore and get this Wet n Wild one. It's really great for that rose gold dewy skin look. Next, I am going in with my Pat McGrath palette. I got this for my 22nd birthday, and you guys, every single one of these colors are so wearable every day, and the color payoff is incredible. The quality of the eyeshadows, they are really amazing. You'll see in the video, but I'm going to take this transition shade on a fluffy concealer brush by e.l.f. and just rub that into my concealer a little bit below my brow bone. Then I'm taking this kind of champagne-y color on a flat lid brush by EcoTools and just running it over my eyelid. Can you guys just see how bright and highlighted that looks? I honestly love this color so much. I've been wearing it every day. And then I'm going back in to blend this all out with my transition shade and the e.l.f. concealer brush. And then I'm going back in with the same color, the champagne-y color, and just brightening up my inner tear duct. And even though I only use two colors, it's crazy how much of a expensive eye look that this created. It looks like it took me so much time and effort, but it's honestly the quality of the eyeshadows. And to finish off my eye look, I'm just going to go in with this dark brown plummy shade on an angled brush. I'm going to create an eyeliner look on my eyes with the eyeshadow to just open up my eyelids and make them look really big. And I'm taking this lash curler from e.l.f. and my Loreal Lash Paradise mascara in waterproof and blackest black to do my eyes, and then I applied false lashes. And then I'm taking my IT Cosmetics Universal Brow Pencil to just fill in my eyebrows. And lastly, you just throw on your favorite lip gloss or lipstick. And this one here is by Dior. It's the Dior Lip Laquer. I'm not sure what the shade is, but I'll definitely put a link down below for you guys if you are interested in shopping this exact one. But it leaves my lips feeling so glossy and balmy. I love it, and this is the final makeup look. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. I would love to know. But yeah, short, sweet, easy tutorial. If you try it out, definitely tag me, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye. Have a great day.